Hello everyone, you're
Hello,
welcome
my
to my
beautiful
channel. So I
people. Good
said that I'm
morning
going
to
to
you. Good day,
minus
depending on the side you are
13
watching me
inches, which
from.
is the
You
under
are
bust
welcome back
length.
to my
Then the full
channel
length
once
is
again. So I
38.
want to teach you how
So
I'm going
I'll
to cut
minus
this
10 inches from that
two-step
38.
gather. So
Then
the
I'll
only thing
get
you
the
need to do
first
for me is
gather.
just to pay
Then that 10 inches
attention
I
and
minus is going
you
to
are
be
going
the
to see what I'm
second
going to do. So first of
gather.
all, the
So
full length of this is
minus
38.
13
So I've
inches.
minus half the
Then I got my
under bust length. The under
38. Then
bust
from
length
that 38,
is
I
13
I
inches.
count
The
10. Then
only
I minus
thing
that 10. Then
we're
what
going to do is just
from
to
that 10,
minus
the
the
remaining one is
half
16
length, which is
inches.
13 inches.
What I'm going
So
to
that
mark
13
now. So I will
inches,
mark out. I have marked out my 16 inches, which is the first. What is going to be the first gather. Then the second one is going to be that 10 inches. So I will just cut out my first gather, which is 16 inches, the one that is going to after the underbust, the one that is going to. So this is what I'm going to be doing now. So I have cut my first gather out. This is my first gather. So I'm going to as well press my material again so I can be able to cut out the other one. So I'll just place my material the way I placed it before. So what am I going to do now? So I'm going to minus my 13 inches again. Then I will just mark out the 10 inches, which I have told you that is going to be the second gather. I will just mark my 10 inches. So I'll mark out my 10 inches here. This is going to be the second gather. You understand? So I have cut out the first gather. This is the second gather. I will just cut it out. You understand? So I've cut out the 10 inches, the second gather that I'm going to use for, I'm going to gather and join it through. So that is what I have cut out now. So the what I'm going to cut again is the half course, which is the under bust point. And that under bust point, I'm going to put elastic on the both sides. But I want to make this one double. That is the gather. I want it to be double, so it will be very full. So I want to cut it so that it will be double. So after cutting this, I'm going to cut out the under bust length. That under bust length is going to have elastic. I'm going to put elastic. You understand? It's going to be an off shoulder gown. I'm going to add elastic. So mine is going to have elastic. So after cutting this one, that is what I'm going to cut again. So this one is the one I'm going to join, then I will gather it. And this is the gather that is going to be on top. That is the second gather. The one I cut before is the first gather, the one I'm going to join from the underburst. Then this one is going to be after. It's going to be after I've joined the other one to the underburst. This one is going to follow. That is the second gather. So guys, I'm going to fold my fabric just like this. This one is the half length. My half length is 13 inches. So that 13 inches, I'm going to be adding extra 2 inches for sewing allowance. So let me just measure what I will be used for the elastic. I'm going to have elastic that is, it's going to gather a bit. So I'm just going to measure, like maybe say about 1 inches. If I measure that 1 inches, I'll now fold it into two. Yes, one yard, that is 36 inches. I will fold it into two, but I'm not going to use one. I'm just going to fold. If I measure 36 inches, I will just fold my 36 inches into two. Then I'm going to get my underbust, which is 13 inches. So I'm going to minus 4 inches for the hand. It's going to be an off shoulder dress. So I'll minus 4 inches. Then I'll get my 13. Then I'll add extra 2 inches for sewing allowance, making it 15. So I'll just mark my 15. I minus that 4 inches I minus is what the hand is going to be. So minus that 4 inches, I have gotten my 16. So you can see how it is. So I'm going to cut it into two. Then after folding it, I will add my elastic to it. You understand? So I will now cut this middle side. So that is it. I've cut it out. Then I'm going to add my elastic. So after cutting this, I'm still going to cut out the hand. The hand is going to be the same thing with the I'm going to add elastic. So it's going to be the same thing with the way the half length is. So I'll just fold something like this that is going to be enough to gather the elastic like this. So I'm going to cut out the full length of the hand. The full length of the hand is 7 inches, so I'll be adding extra 2 inches for this putting of elastic to it. So I'll add extra 2 inches, making it 9 inches. So if I fold the down, I fold it up, then I'll add my elastic to it. That is what I'm going to do. Then I'll add elastic, then I'll join it to the half length, then join my first gather, then join the other gather too. So this is the hand I have cut out now. So you can see it. I'll fold it the both side, then I'll add my elastic to it. You understand? So that is what I'm going to how I'm going to do the hand, how the hand is going to be. So I've gotten this one. So what else am I going to do? I'm going to cut out the second hand. So this is the half length which I have gathered. You can see I have put elastic and I have gathered it. So I'm going to shape it down. After shaping it, I'll add my first gather. Then after adding my first gather, I will add the second gather. You can see the outcome of the fabric. You can see the hand. You can see how the fabric, the outcome is very nice. This is the first gather, this is the second gather. You can see how the hand is. So thank you so much for watching.